This is our 2024 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 2. This thing is beautiful. If you're looking for a luxurious third row SUV, this one's it. Gonna have LED headlights, fully blacked out front end, fog lights up here. You have the front facing 360 cam. You also have park sense up here as well. Going to have some huge blacked out 22-inch wheels, super well equipped, all season tires. As you can see, it is going to have the matte black wrap on it. Super nice all the way around. And we will take a step inside the front seat, but before that, you have the power step into the vehicle. Black leather all the way around, going to be heated and ventilated. Ton of space in the center console. Going to have the huge Uconnect system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. As you can see, climate, but you're also going to have the smaller screen right below that to set all the controls for your seats. Up here, you're also going to have a panoramic sunroof, digital dashboard, going to have heads-up display as well. Super nice touch, big leather-wrapped steering wheel, ton of features in the front seat. Coming to the back seat now, and you have the bench seating back here. Also, the black leather going to be heated back here as well. You have the screen to control your back seats right there. And you have the third row bench seating back here as well. Super nice all the way around. You also have your sunroof back here as well. But we'll take a step now to the trunk. Hit the button right here, right next to that backup camera. Park sense back here as well. Have the power lift gate, just hit that button. It'll open on its own. You can see it has a ton of storage back here. Really nice Grand Wagoneer floor mat, so you don't have to worry if you're throwing back anything back here that's wet. Don't have to worry about getting that carpet wet. But under the carpet, you have some more storage under there as well. If you're interested, please feel free to reach out anytime. This is a beautiful third row SUV, and we're happy to answer any questions that you might have.